Yes, hello, my name is Damon Dominique. I'm a travel vlogger and I thought I'd show you just how I use my Mac. I don't mean to say such cliche things at the start of this video, but I did want to say that everything just works. Like, that is their branding at this point. Everyone knows that the Mac system, the ecosystem just works. I just finished filming a course. I have a few language courses. Did you guys know you could do this? Connected to Damon's MacBook Pro. You see this? Hold on. This is my phone camera on the other side of the room. Yeah, it's called continuity camera and I filmed an entire course like this. All right, and I know this is a shocker. All right, and I know this is a shocker, but I use AirDrop every single day. Okay, so we know that when we press the space bar, it previews it, but say I wanna go in here, let's open this. Okay, and then I wanna edit it. Okay, I don't even have to save it, I just click the X. You don't have to think about saving things. So while we're still here in Finder, something else that I like is that you can customize the toolbars, the menus, like even the creative, what is this? I don't want that. Remove. And you can modify this up here too. It's super helpful because when I do AirDrop things, I click this button. Double click, I guess, customize toolbar, and then you'll have the AirDrop and you can drag it in there. So this beautiful photo, that we made, I can go here, AirDrop, Damon Dominique iPhone. Say I'm on a website, but the screen's too small for me. Boom, Google from iPhone. That's it. Now if you notice, I'm pretty big on digital minimalism, like everything's just in this one like junk drawer folder called all, and that's because this goes in line with my strategy. If I'm ever looking for something, I don't go looking for it. I let technology do what it's supposed to do. It finds it for me. Image 4483. Oh. All right, and I know this is a shocker. While we're on the keys, F3. Shows you everything you're working on at the same time, which is nice because I tend to be doing videos, but I'm also like designing a PDF. F5 is the voice diction key, but if you hold it down, Siri. And if you want to take it to the next level, put it in a different language. Bonjour Siri.
Bonjour.
Où est-ce que tu vis, Siri?
Je me trouve sur différents appareils et Internet, mais je n'existe pas physiquement à un endroit.
Pour moi, c'est tout pareil. You know, for those days you get a little lonely. So say I am writing in French or Portuguese, Spanish, whichever, you can hold down a key and it'll say you're at work but you're on social media, then your boss comes by, boom. I wasn't doing anything. You can use the Touch ID button to just close it out, and then also you can open your laptop with the Touch ID. You can also make payments with the Touch ID. This has nothing to do with the Mac itself, but I do swear, like if you're gonna invest in a piece of metal like this, then make it look good every day. I do this every morning. Wipe off all that hand grease. I don't know who's touching this computer screen. I just like my Mac to feel like it came straight from the Apple Store, which, by the way, the Genius bar, genius. It's genius. Guess what? It all works. I always felt like, this is no shade to PC. Get the laptop you want, but don't get a PC. This is no shade to PCs, because at this point, laptops can do anything you want them to do. It's more that I feel like on PC, I always had to know more than I cared to know. Like if I wanted to go find something, if I wanted to change some system settings, I felt like it was such a process. And this has always just been very simple for me. And if I really don't know, then I can go to the Genius bar and they'll figure it out. By the way, I've never seen anybody else do this, but you can do tabs within Finder. So a lot of times I'm transferring footage or like there's a folder over here and I need to put it over here. Should we just make two folders real quick? Okay, Testy and Testerson. Notice how I'm clicking that new folder button in the customized toolbar that I made? Yeah, I put that up there. Beautiful photo that we made is in Testy. I want to put it over in Testerson. Boom. It's just easy. It's just easy. Also, I don't know who needs to hear this, but you don't have to get a full price Mac. You can get a refurbished one. In fact, I did this for probably 10 years. You can get a refurbished iPhone. Refurbished anything you want. So yes, it's been used, but it went through the Genius bar. They like redid everything and then it's basically brand new. Now, so as we wrap up this video, I just gotta say, like, this has been a brand that I have had little to no issues with. Everything just works. No, everything does. You see how I use my Mac. This has been the Damon Dominique Mac experience. I'm sure my Mac experience is much like everyone else's. We like it over here. It's easy. It looks good. And I like the dolphins.